Alright, Steven, so what I did, if you look in here in your grip, you undo this screw inside there. Alright. Cool thing about the V7 is once you take that screw loose, your handle doesn't actually come off, it just rotates away. Make sure, if you see this little spring right here, make sure you don't lose it. Make sure it stays there if all possible. Lay it out the way. Take your selector switch, pull it out. I kept mine on safe. When I pulled it out, pay attention to how it's built. And put your new one together the same way. This detent needs to be on the opposite side of your switch. I chose the longer switch. Installed the switch. Wiggled it in place. Put it back to safe. Rotate your handle up. Make sure this spring goes in this detent right here. Okay, so as you swing this in, put your handle in place. You'll hear it click. Tighten that screw back down, okay? Flip the rifle over. What I did was I chose to install the shorter of the two, since I'm right-handed. Put it on there. Install the screw. Tighten it down. And you should be good to go. Check it. Make sure it works. All right. It won't go to safe. All right. Hope that works out for you. Let me know. Peace.